Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Thursday, January 23rd. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is in the kitchen, the thing that water comes out of. Number 2 means to not do something badly. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The tap is cold. The tap is cold. Tap, T-A-P. It is the thing that water comes out of. We also say a faucet. Now let's make a flashcard for tap. We say to get some water from the tap. We also say to turn the tap on or off. Please write tap up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, KIT 1. This means kitchen, level 1. Also V3. This is a verb in level 3 too. And the number 48 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Tap. What about you? Do you drink water from the tap? Or do you drink bottled water? Let me know in the comments. Now, word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. You play ping pong well. You play ping pong well. Well, W-E-L-L. You play ping pong at a high level. You are very good at ping pong. Now let's make a flashcard for well. This is an adverb, so the basic form is to do something well. To play tennis well. To speak English well. Like you. Jennifer plays tennis well. She plays better than her brother. She plays the best in her family. Please make a flashcard like this. Up in the corner, TDS, well. This means to do something well. Down in this corner, the code, ADV 1. This means adverb level 1. Also, noun level 3. This is also a noun. We will learn later in level 3. And here the number 40 out of 42. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Well. Game over. That was fun. Today we learned I will get some water from the tap. Very nice. And Jennifer speaks Chinese very well. Yep. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 we use in sports. Many soccer teams get together and they have an organization called a... Very good. The missing letter is after K in the alphabet. Number 2 is something we have in our homes to clean clothes and to make the clothes not wet. And the last one means to go back or to take something back. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.